Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Welcome to ReneEnergy.com. Today, we're discussing the exciting possibilities of automation in green hydrogen plants. As the world accelerates its transition towards sustainable energy, green hydrogen is emerging as a cornerstone of clean energy production. However, to scale up green hydrogen effectively and make it cost competitive, automation is key. By automating critical processes, green hydrogen plants can enhance efficiency, reliability, and safety. In this video, we'll dive into how different areas of a green hydrogen plant can benefit from automation, paving the way for a more sustainable future. Let's start with the heart of any green hydrogen plant, the electrolysis process. Electrolysis is the process of splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity. For green hydrogen, the electricity used comes from renewable sources such as wind, solar, or hydropower. The efficiency of the electrolysis process directly impacts the cost and volume of hydrogen produced. Automation in this area involves monitoring and controlling key variables like water flow, electricity input, and hydrogen output. With automation, the plant can optimize these variables in real time, adjusting for fluctuations in energy supply and demand. This ensures that the plant operates at peak efficiency, minimizing energy waste while maximizing hydrogen production. The next area where automation plays a crucial role is in energy management. Green hydrogen production is highly dependent on renewable energy sources, which are often variable. For example, solar power is only available during daylight hours, while wind energy fluctuates based on weather conditions. An automated energy management system can optimize the use of renewable energy by dynamically adjusting production schedules to align with peak energy availability. These systems can store excess energy during periods of high production and release it when needed, ensuring continuous and efficient hydrogen generation. Additionally, predictive algorithms can analyze weather patterns and energy prices, helping operators decide the best times to produce hydrogen, thus reducing costs and enhancing overall efficiency. Safety systems are another area where automation is crucial. Hydrogen is highly flammable, and ensuring safe handling and storage is essential. Automated safety systems continuously monitor the plant for potential hazards such as hydrogen leaks, pressure anomalies, and equipment malfunctions. These systems can trigger alarms, activate emergency shutdowns, and even reroute hydrogen flows if needed, all without human intervention. By automating these safety measures, green hydrogen plants can significantly reduce the risk of accidents, protecting both the workforce and the surrounding environment. Automated safety systems are also integrated with regular maintenance protocols, allowing for timely interventions before small issues escalate into larger problems. Moving on to hydrogen storage and distribution, automation is key to ensuring that hydrogen is stored safely and distributed efficiently. Hydrogen is typically stored in high-pressure tanks or in liquid form, both of which require precise control over pressure and temperature. Automated systems manage these variables in real time, ensuring optimal conditions for storage. Additionally, automation helps regulate the distribution of hydrogen, whether it's being delivered to industrial users, fueling stations, or storage facilities. Automated dispatch systems can coordinate logistics, optimize routes, and track deliveries, making sure that the right amount of hydrogen reaches its destination on time, reducing both costs and emissions. Another vital aspect of automation is predictive maintenance. Plant equipment like electrolyzers, pumps, and storage tanks undergo constant wear and tear. Predictive maintenance uses data from sensors embedded in the equipment to monitor performance in real time. By analyzing this data, automated systems can detect early signs of wear or potential failures, allowing maintenance teams to address issues before they cause downtime. Predictive maintenance not only prevents unexpected shutdowns but also extends the lifespan of critical equipment, reducing operational costs. This proactive approach to maintenance is particularly valuable in green hydrogen plants, where unplanned downtime can result in significant production losses. Let's also talk about data analytics and reporting, another area where automation plays a key role. A green hydrogen plant generates vast amounts of data, from energy consumption and production rates to equipment performance and market conditions. Automating data collection, analysis, and reporting allows plant operators to gain valuable insights into their operations. With real-time data dashboards, operators can monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, and make data-driven decisions that optimize production and reduce costs. For instance, automation can identify patterns in energy usage and suggest adjustments to improve efficiency. Additionally, automated reporting tools can generate compliance reports, financial projections, and sustainability metrics, saving time and improving transparency. One of the most exciting possibilities in green hydrogen automation is the creation of hydrogen hubs. A hydrogen hub centralizes production, storage, and distribution in one location, serving multiple industries and applications. Automation is essential in these hubs to coordinate the complex operations involved. For example, automated systems can manage the balance between hydrogen supply and demand across different sectors, such as transportation, industrial processes, and power generation, ensuring that resources are used efficiently. As more hydrogen hubs are developed globally, automation will play a crucial role in making these hubs scalable and replicable in other regions, accelerating the adoption of green hydrogen. However, it's important to recognize that implementing automation in green hydrogen plants isn't without its challenges. The initial costs of integrating automation systems can be high, and there's a need for skilled personnel to manage and maintain these systems. Moreover, as automation increases, cybersecurity becomes a critical concern. Automated systems are often connected to the internet, making them vulnerable to cyber attacks. Therefore, alongside automation, robust cybersecurity measures must be implemented to protect sensitive data and ensure uninterrupted operations. In conclusion, automation is set to revolutionize the green hydrogen industry by enhancing efficiency, improving safety, reducing costs, and enabling large-scale deployment. From optimizing the electrolysis process to managing energy inputs, automating safety protocols, predictive maintenance, and creating data-driven strategies, automation is a key enabler of a successful green hydrogen economy. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect green hydrogen to play a leading role in the global energy transition, helping industries and economies achieve their sustainability goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this content insightful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on renewable energy and sustainability from ReneEnergy.com. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.